Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I am Donna. Very nice to see you here on my channel, and for those of you who are not new, thank you so much for continuing to come back and enable my midlife crisis. In today's video, I'm going to show you my Tarte box. This was one of the Make Your Own kits. So twice a year, Tarte does this thing where you can purchase, I think it's 6 full-size items for $63. And it's Make Your Own Tarte kit. So I took advantage of it. Once last year, I took advantage, well, I think it was actually, this is the second time I've taken advantage of it this year. I think the first time I took advantage of it was earlier this year when they did it. They do it twice a year. So this box, however, came to me a little scathed. I don't want to show you guys the ship label, but I don't know if you guys can see this. It is open. It is open all the way across. So, and it's quite damaged. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is quite damaged. So it did not make it through the mail very nicely, and I haven't opened it yet, but I'm a little worried about what's inside of it because I'm afraid that things are gone or maybe broken. I'm not sure. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what it looks like in here. So first things first, I can tell you this is not how Tarte ships things. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is really messy right here, and usually they like wrap it like a sushi roll or a beautiful present, and this is not how they do that. So let's dig in. I'm a little scared, to be honest. Okay, the first thing I see here is the bag that I picked out. This bag is like all sequins. I think you had the choice of 2 bags, and one was a rainbow sequin and this one is a flamingo sequin. Like, I don't necessarily use these bags, so I actually just purchased my little 7-year-old daughter a bunch of like play makeup. Like, you know, Ulta had 5 for $5 on some of their like really silly makeup. I just purchased a bunch of that for my daughter for Christmas because I am who I am. She is also very interested in playing with makeup, and I think I am just going to give this to her and put all that makeup in it. So this is it. It is super cute. She will absolutely love it. It's just purple inside. It's got a little dude in it. It's not like the biggest bag on the planet. It's not the smallest bag on the planet. It is rather like tall and wide, but it's not very, well, I guess tall and deep, but it's not very like wide. So this bag will be going to my 7-year-old. She will love it. So the products, I got a couple samples. I see a wounded soldier in here. I got this as a sample, and I got this as a sample. So this is a sample of their Tarte, you know, double duty beauty shape tape foundation, which is actually something that I received. But I also got this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost skincare serum. I think it's just a hydratant is high. Yes, that word right there in the super small print, whatever it is, that is what that is. So those went into my sample drawer. So the first thing I'm going to pull out that I got was this Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. I had heard some good things about this. This was, I think, along the lines of their like highlighters. That's where this fell in, and it is this really pretty bottle. I really dig the bottle. It says shake well, so we're gonna shake it well. And it comes in this nice little dropper. Ooh, I love droppers. I don't know why I love droppers, but we're just gonna put a little bit on there. It is rather like liquidy. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you just put it on your skin. I think it's to go like under foundations of sorts. It is a nice little, just gives your skin a nice glow without being super glittery or glowy. I mean, it's glowy, but it's not. It's a very strange bottle. It's kind of like oval shaped, and I love the dropper in it, but I'm not sure that where that will live in my skin routine, but I do love it. And the next thing I got is this Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation. So my daughter loves this stuff, and what's funny about this whole story is she also gets this kit, and I love this, which is the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation, and it's one of my favorite stick foundations. It's just really pretty amazing. It's super hydrating, and I just really like it a lot for a stick foundation, and she loves this. And these were both active items in this pick that you're allowed to do, and I picked this one because she's raved about it, and she picked this one because she wants to try a stick foundation. She knows I love this, which is kind of funny. So I guess if we both hate our products, we can switch. We almost have the same skin tone, almost. I think I'm a little more yellow and she's a little more pink, but whatever. So I got this guy. I am interested in trying this. I do hate Shape Tape Concealer. It just dries out my skin super, super, super bad. But this is the hydrating version. God, look at that doe foot. It is huge. So I kind of dig it though. I love that this has a doe foot. If it doesn't have a pump, I guess a doe foot is the next best thing for foundation. And I won't have to put it on my hand or on, you know, my mixing tray to get it onto my skin first, or to put it on my skin. Yeah. The next thing I have here is this Man-Eater mascara. I do not need another mascara, but mascara was one of the choices. So I got this guy. One of my favorite eyeliners is actually the Man-Eater liquid eyeliner is one of my favorites, and so I thought I would try this mascara. It is going into a drawer with a plethora of backups, so I'm not going to open it right now and look at it, but we will see how I like that at a later date. The next thing I picked up is this Tarte High Performance Naturals Tartist Pro Cruelty Free Lashes in Sweetheart. They had a couple different kinds. These are just super wispy and natural, and I am just recently, you know this if you've been watching my channel, just recently into the, false lashes game, so I don't really need anything from on a day-to-day basis that is super like out there, so I wanted to pick up those. The next thing I got in my kit, and so far everything is in here, I got this High Performance Natural Blush and Glow Blush and Highlighter Duo. This is what the packaging looks like. And then this is the container, actually. And the color I got was rose gold, because I have like an infatuation with rose gold these days. But this seems like a really super pretty blush and like a champagne-y highlight. I'm actually kind of excited for that. Really excited for that in my collection. I was a little concerned about it because it feels like it's got powder all over it. So I thought it had broken, but it is not what is broken. So what is broken? Probably this. Alright, I've got this Tartist metallic shadow, and I got it in the color Whiskey. This is what the packaging looks like, and that is the color. It is a metallic shadow though, so that is, oh, this is what's broken. Dang it. Oh no. I wonder, I doubt it. I will have to fix that. I'm not going to open it. If you guys can tell, it is like super broken. Like the Postal Service totally trashed my box and it was open, so I'm not even sure. Oh, that is so sad. So there is some of it out on the outside of the container here. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. If we can swatch it with this little tiny amount here. That is it right there. It just looks like a really pretty metallic brown. I don't know, maybe you guys can see it on my finger better. A little bit coppery, which I'm totally into copper colors. I'm gonna have to pull that out and fix it. Hopefully I can fix it. I don't know that Tarte will replace it though, because these boxes are like, you know, you can't return anything from these boxes. So I will email their customer service, but I highly doubt it's going to be replaced. We'll see. It does look like though I got a duplicate. It looks like I got a duplicate item. Well, I know I didn't order two of the same thing because you can't with this, but I did get two Tarte's lip blings in Park Avenue Princess. So I might actually put these into my giveaway, or one into my giveaway. This is what it looks like. It is just a bronzy gold topper, lip topper. That's super pretty, super metallic though. Of course I put it somewhere where you guys can't see it. Can you see that? That is a lip topper, right? Yeah, that's a lip topper, and that is super gold. Let's try it on this lip. I'm not super mad at that. I actually kind of dig it. It just brings enough extra to lips to make you feel like super blingy. Alright, so that is it in my Tarte kit. And I'm really super excited about the things that I got. I am bummed, so bummed that that eyeshadow is broken, but I'm going to do my best to salvage it. And I will email Tarte and let you guys know whether they replace it or not. Like I said, this is a no returns kind of box, so I'm not sure if they would do anything about it or not. And I really feel like it's the post office's issue, and I'm really kind of sad that that's how the post office treats our stuff, but like I get it. They're not paid to be careful, I guess, and they're not paid to know what's in every single box, you know, but it makes you wonder how it's going to go around the holidays. It always seems to be around the holidays though that they get rushed and things get broken and whatnot. So that is the end of my Tarte kit, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will of course come on here later and let you know, at a later date, and let you know how I felt about the items I received. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up before you leave. I also hope that you'll consider subscribing on your way out. I do upload content 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or Sunday, depending on how my work week goes. And I would love to see you as a fixture in my comment section. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and until next time, bye guys.